Feeling your legs tire faster or noticing your balance wobble? What if staying strong and steady was as simple as what's on your plate? No fancy supplements or complicated diets. Just everyday foods that help protect your muscles after 60. Today, we're diving into 8 everyday foods that act like natural bodyguards for your muscles, especially thiones in your legs that keep you balanced, mobile, and independent. Important note: before we begin, these foods may not be suitable for everyone. If you have any medical condition or dietary restriction, please consult your doctor or healthcare provider before making changes to your diet. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink, a process called sarcopenia. It can start quietly in your 30s or 40s and becomes more noticeable around 60. You may feel your legs tiring faster, your steps less stable, or climbing stairs a bit harder. But here's the truth: you can fight back with the right foods and habits. Before we start, if you haven't yet, please subscribe and tap the like button. It really helps more people find these simple, science-backed health tips. And tell me in the comments, which food do you think helps your muscles the most? I love reading your experiences. Muscle is a major metabolic organ, and experts say that getting enough protein and vitamin D from your daily diet not only rebuilds and protects your muscles, but also keeps your legs strong and your balance steady. These aren't exotic or hard to find, just everyday foods you likely already have in your kitchen, easy to add to any meal. Quick reminder: if you haven't already, hit subscribe and like. It helps more people discover these simple, science-backed tips. Let's look at the top 8 that truly make a difference. Cow's milk, your daily muscle fuel. A glass of milk or a whey protein smoothie is an easy way to get high-quality protein. Whey protein, found in cow's milk, is rich in leucine, an amino acid that tells your body to build muscle. Studies show that whey combined with vitamin D can boost muscle mass and strength in seniors. In fact, research has found that whey protein supplements enriched with leucine significantly increase muscle protein synthesis in older adults. Milk helps maintain strong leg muscles and improve stability, ideal for anyone who wants to move with more confidence. If you're lactose intolerant or have kidney concerns, choose fortified soy milk or lactose-free milk instead, and talk to your doctor about safe options. A simple way to add it in is by pouring milk over your morning oats or blending it into a banana smoothie. Chicken, lean protein for strong legs. Chicken is a protein powerhouse. It provides the essential amino acids your body needs to maintain muscle and repair daily wear and tear. High-quality animal protein has been shown to stimulate muscle protein synthesis in older adults, helping preserve muscle mass and leg strength. It's one of the best foods to preserve leg strength and reduce weakness, especially if you stay active. If you have gout or high uric acid, enjoy smaller portions and check with your GP first. Otherwise, grilled or baked chicken breast with vegetables is an easy way to get complete protein without adding much fat. And if you prefer variety, lean beef, turkey or pork loin are all great alternatives that nourish your muscles the same way. Tofu, gentle on the stomach, great for muscles. Tofu, made from soybeans, is a fantastic plant-based protein. It's rich in isoflavones, which may help preserve muscle in older adults, and are especially good for those looking for lighter, heart-friendly protein sources. Clinical trials have shown that older adults consuming soy protein experienced improvements in lean muscle mass and skeletal muscle index, making it an effective alternative to animal protein. It supports muscle recovery and helps keep the legs strong without being heavy on the stomach. But if you have thyroid issues or take hormone medications, check with your doctor before eating soy often. Try adding tofu cubes to soups, stir-fries, or salads. Or blend soft tofu into smoothies for a creamy texture and extra protein. Beans, the everyday strength. Food beans, peas, and lentils are loaded with protein, fiber, and minerals that support muscle contraction and energy. They may not be complete proteins on their own, but when combined with quinoa, chia, or brown rice, they become a perfect muscle-supporting meal. Plant-based diets that combine complementary proteins have been shown to maintain lean muscle mass in older adults and support overall muscle function. They help maintain leg strength, boost stamina, and support digestion, an important part of keeping muscles nourished. If you have kidney disease or need to manage potassium, talk to your doctor about how often to include beans. Try lentil soups, black bean salads, or chickpeas in wraps. Simple, comforting meals that help you stay strong and steady. These plant and animal proteins are crucial for muscle building, but let's not forget foods that provide antioxidants and vitamin D for full muscle protection. Wild salmon. Strength and vitamin D in every bite. Wild salmon is a superstar for muscle and balance health. It's packed with high-quality protein and vitamin D, a nutrient many seniors don't get enough of. Vitamin D supports muscle control, bone strength, and helps prevent falls. Omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish like salmon have also been shown to enhance muscle protein synthesis and reduce inflammation, supporting muscle recovery and strength in older adults. It's perfect for rebuilding muscle and protecting your legs. However, if you're on blood thinners or have gout, it's wise to check with your GP before eating fatty fish often. Bake or grill salmon twice a week with herbs and lemon. Trout and tuna are great alternatives if you prefer something different. Now that we've covered protein-rich foods, let's see the colorful antioxidants that help muscles recover and stay strong. Eggs, small but mighty muscle builders. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein. The yolk adds vitamin D, while the white provides amino acids that rebuild muscle tissue. Research shows that protein-rich breakfasts, including eggs, enhance muscle protein synthesis and support muscle repair in older adults. Eating eggs regularly helps repair your muscles after daily movement and improves coordination, essential for balance. If you have high cholesterol or diabetes, stick to 5 to 6 eggs per week or follow your doctor's advice. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or as a veggie-packed omelette, a small food that makes a big difference to leg strength. Sweet potato, power for your muscles and energy. Sweet potatoes aren't high in protein, but they're full of beta-carotene and antioxidants that fight inflammation and aid muscle recovery. Studies suggest that antioxidants like beta-carotene can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in muscles, which is particularly important for maintaining strength in older adults. They also give you steady energy, ideal before a walk or light exercise. They help maintain grip strength, support leg endurance, and promote faster recovery of muscles after daily activity. If you have diabetes, monitor portions because sweet potatoes can raise blood sugar slightly. Bake them, mash them, or pair with chicken or salmon, colorful, delicious, and muscle-friendly. Red bell pepper, the bright protector. Red peppers are rich in carotenoids and vitamin C, both of which help protect and repair muscle cells. Research shows that higher carotenoid intake is linked to stronger muscles and less age-related weakness, suggesting antioxidants help protect muscle tissue from damage and support recovery. Vitamin C also plays a role in collagen synthesis, which helps maintain connective tissue strength, contributing to joint and leg stability. They're easy to digest and anti-inflammatory, helping your muscles recover after daily activity. If you have acid reflux, cook peppers lightly instead of eating them raw. Add them to salads, omelets, or stir-fries. They brighten your plate and help your legs recover faster after daily movement. Try one of these foods this week and let me know how you feel in the comments. But wait, that's not all. Hydration matters too. Even the best diet can't work if your muscles aren't hydrated. Water is essential for flexibility, contraction, and recovery. Even mild dehydration can make your muscles feel stiff, weak, or tired. Seniors may not feel as thirsty, but staying hydrated keeps muscles flexible, strong, and ready for movement. Aim for 8 to 9 cups of water daily, more in warm weather or after exercise. Herbal teas and soups count too. The perfect combo for muscle protection. Think of muscle health like a team effort. Protein-rich foods to build and repair muscle, vitamin D for better balance and bone strength, and daily movement to keep your body active. Scientists believe that exercise and diet are the most effective ways to combat muscle loss. In some cases, they can even reverse it. To support muscle health, seniors over 65 should aim for 20,035 grams of protein per meal and 800-1,000 IU of vitamin D daily through foods or supplements if needed. Movement is equally important. Even short, gentle balance exercises can activate your leg muscles, improve coordination, and strengthen your core. If you haven't yet, watch the video on the #1 single balance exercise on my channel. It's nothing huge or hectic, and you don't even need to leave home. Just a few minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. Remember, food and movement go hand in hand. You can exercise all you want, but without the right nutrition, your muscles won't stay strong. And if you eat well but don't move, your muscles will still weaken. I understand in your 80s and 90s, getting enough protein from food can be tricky, and appetite can decrease. Don't worry, you don't need to overhaul your diet. Even adding just one of these foods each week will make a difference over time. Your legs will feel stronger, your balance steadier, and your confidence higher. As always, it's best to check with your doctor before making changes to your diet or adding supplements. So eat smart and make small changes. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more safe, simple, science-backed health tips. And tell me in the comments, which of these food will you try first?